Yo, this is Eddie and I'm here doing an interview with the Defiled.
Hey my subscribers, I love you. Look out for more future RuneScape videos.
So Defiled, how did you get all those subscribers on YouTube?
Well, so many 12-year-old kids get horny off the photos I found on Google by searching emo girls, so they think it's really me, so they all subscribed. Happy face.
Do people know that you are fake?
Most of them do, but 1/3 of the people are retarded.
Do you have any advice for future RuneScape YouTube nerds to get more subscribers?
Yes, first of all your name have to sound emo, such as Defiled, and all the music you use have to be hardcore rock, since most of the people that play RuneScape are emo fags and metal fags.
How old are you?
I'm 78.
How old is your boyfriend?
On RuneScape you mean? I think he's like 87. His name is King Defy1 by the way.
That's it for the interview. Thanks to Defiled, and thank you all for watching. Oh yeah, and for all you haters, go suck on Defiled's dick. THs is all jokes and jokes don't hurt, but facts do hurt, you know what I'm saying.